welcome back to Jubilee Road for a locomotive review. So again, TRS Trains has sent me another locomotive for me to look at. Now if you've been following the channel for a while, you'd know I've already done a locomotive that has some customised work done to it by TRS Trains, which is my own merchant navy. What he did is fitted digital sound and also his own smoke system. Up until now, he has only been putting the smoke system in, well, steam locomotives, which will kind of make sense, wouldn't it? But this is one of his first locos, diesel locos that he's fitted the smoke system to. So in here, how on earth he's managed to fit it in this locomotive, I don't know, because there's probably less space in a diesel locomotive due to the weighted chassis and all electronics, but he has done so. The smoke system in this is not like you would normally get, which is the oil-based system. This has a water vapor system, which, as you probably guessed, runs by water, bottled water that is, and it does go a little bit further than that. This is synchronized smoke, so depending what the engine noise is doing is how much smoke comes out of the exhaust on this locomotive. Now this is a Heljan Class 25 and the smoke system is good in one of these for obvious reasons, because the old English electrics, especially on cold start, which this does have that option, do chuck out a fair bit of smoke, so I think it's pretty realistic. Right, in today's video then we are going to have a look at the smoke system. This is sound fitted as well. It's also been weathered and detailed. So first off we're going to take a really short look at the details and weathering that he's done to this model. As usual, this next bit is freehand, so it might be a little bit more bumpy as it was before. So as you can see, the front of the model, he has fitted all the pipe work in there. That's really looking nice. You can see some of the weathering there. This is what you call sort of light weathering, like it would be on a preserved railway today. We do have some figures in there, a driver. It looks like there's two figures in there by the look of it. And you can see, especially around the bogies where the weathering has been done, that looks so much better than just the black plastic, doesn't it? As I said, this is light weathering, exactly how you would as sort of a well-kept loco today. There is the number, which is the original D number, which is 7550. And obviously you've got the maker's plate there as well. If we go up towards the roof, it's where more weathering would be, because, well, they probably wouldn't clean the roofs all that often. And there is the exhaust just there where the smoke system is fitted. So the way the locomotive looks really does look the part, doesn't it? Really well done by him. But I know why we're all here. Let's have a look and listen to the technology that's in this. So let's have a look at the smoke system then. So how does it work? Well, just underneath the exhaust stack here, you have got what's called an atomizer. Now, to me, that sounds something that sounds quite dangerous, doesn't it? Like a weapon or something, but it's not. It basically turns water into vapor. Now, what this is a better system than the oil-based, because the oil-based leaves stuff everywhere. This really doesn't. It doesn't leave residue around your layout, and it doesn't smell whatsoever. So how do you fill it? With one of these. Bottled water only, and there are two very small holes in this particular model just here on top of the locomotive. Now you just push on the end of that and push it in there, and you squeeze it very slowly into there until, well, you probably get about 2 to 3 probably in this locomotive, and then you turn the sound on. So that's what we're going to do now, and this loco really does sound rather nice. It's one of the best quality sounding locomotives I've heard, and I have to put a volume warning on this. This is rather loud, just to warn you headphone users. So let's have a look at it starting up. You might like this. It's rather nice. So keep an eye for the smoke. So here we go. Let's start her up. as you can see there, the smoke is currently working. So let's give it a quick run in this area to show you the smoke even more. And there we go, as the locomotive is shutting down there. I think you will agree that really does add a little bit more realism to your locomotive, doesn't it? Now, as you can see there, it is working in time with the engine sounds, and as the accelerator backs off, the smoke stops. As you could see when it ran up this way, as it went to slow down, the smoke stopped. That is all automatic, done by the decoder. That is really rather impressive, and I really rather like it. It suits an older diesel locomotive like this, doesn't it? Now, it is a little bit harder to see on camera than in person. You can see it a lot more if you're standing in front of it, but I think you can definitely get the idea of what this is like. I've got to be honest, I got to give him top marks again for this. The quality of work is just outstanding for this model. It runs flawlessly, and that sound is really rather impressive, and I hope it didn't blow your ears up. I hope it didn't. But yeah, really impressed. So if you do want this fitted to a steam loco or a diesel locomotive, please get in touch with TRS Trains. Now go over their Facebook page. I will put a link in the description over there and start having a chat with them and see where you go from there. Now, obviously, yes, this does cost. It depends on what loco or what you're going to do and what other extras you want. So that's why I'm not going to say how much it costs. But it is a fair bit of money, which is completely fine by me, because it is an awful lot of work to fit it in here. It really is. So there we go. That is a look at the TRS Trains 25 with the operating smoke and the fantastic sound system that he has put in it. What I'm going to do, we're going to have a running session with this Class 25 down at the Clifton Valley Railway, because I think that's where it's definitely more at home. And I'll be back here at Jubilee Road, or on location, very soon. Bye everyone.